So this is Full of Fight by the Expendables, the intro. Start out 4 chords that you're going to be really playing for the whole song are B, D, A, and E. So, get a better pick. The beginning, there's like this picky part. It's kind of like, or, and I'm not really sure if I'm playing that part right. I tried to learn it by ear, but I couldn't really do it. But it's twice on the bass chord. Then basically picking the notes of the chord. 9th fret A, 7th fret, 10th fret E, 7th fret, and then down to the last note of the chord. You go to D, 7/5 on the D. So 7/5, 7 on the A, 5 on the D, down to 5 on the A. Same pattern there. Then to E, and you go. It's slide up to the 9th fret of the D, then 7th fret, 9th fret A, 7th fret D, 7th fret A, 10th fret E, so goes into this main part here, which is slide up 9th fret of the G, and then pull off to the 7 and back on the 9. Do it again, and then you kind of bend it twice, or use a whammy bar if you have one. And then you go down to the 9th fret D. And then I'll play this next part slowly. So it's 9/7 on the G, then 9 on the D, 7 on the G, 9, and then you slide up to the 11th fret, and then you pull off, slide down. So it's 11 to 9, and then to 7. And then back up to 9, down to 7 again on the G. And there's 2 ways you can do it. You can go like this, just using a ring finger. I find that kind of difficult at times, so what I do is I go like this, and then I pull off to my pointer finger, slide down with that, and and then use the ring finger to hammer on. And then then 9 on the D, 7, 9, G, and then bend on the 9th fret of the G, and then 7th fret of the G, and then twice on the D. Now that part I learned by ear very slowly, so I know this is 100% correct. I might make mistakes playing it, but these are the right notes. Twice on the D, 7, 9, 7 on the G, 9th on the D, then 7, 6 on the G, that's 7 on the D, 6 on the G, and then you slide from 7 to 9 on the D. Then 7 on the G, or D, and then slide down from the 9th to the 7th on the A. But this is one note, it's not like, it's just. And then, so this is once you're down here, you put your pointer finger over the 5th fret of the E and A, but only press the A. But just make sure enough of your finger is over on the E, because you're gonna need to pull it off, and it just makes it easier. Because then over there you have to move your finger down really quickly, so it's easy just to keep it on both. Just keep it muted. So this is 5, 7, slide to the 9, pull off to the 7, all on the A string. Then 10 on the E, 9 on the A, or 7 on the A. Then slide from 10 to 7 on the E. And then your last note, you can do this with the middle of your pointer finger or with the tip of your middle finger. Just 7 and 9 on the D. And then so this is a double stop, 7th fret, G and B. You just play it and then lighten the pressure to stop the note and play it again. And then 9th fret D. And then next time you go 9, 7, 9 on the D. and then bend on the G and release, 9th fret. And then if you're able to, do a pinch harmonic. I can do them sometimes. But it's bend, bend again, down to 7th fret, twice on the 9th fret of the D, then 7, 9 twice. There we go. So I'll play I guess everything really slowly. I messed it up at the end. There we go. So that's that for that intro. If you want me to teach anything else in particular, leave it in the comments. And other than that, I'll see you next time.